Yeehaw! Where do you think you're going? Well, I don't know that that's any of your business. That's between me and her. Well, that may be true, but there's an ordinance in this town about walking around firing guns off. Don't you know nothing? No, I don't know that. Yeah, really? Now, Law Dog, back off here. We're just trying to have a good time. That's fine and dandy, but it's time... No. This ain't happening, Law Dog. Oh, come on. No. All right. Come on. You'll be okay. We'll let you rest it off till tomorrow, and then you'll know what you're doing, maybe. Hey, boys, get me out of here.
Hey, man, they got Reb in there. We got.
Ain't nobody getting you out of there. You're going to stay in there.
I think we better just rush over there and get him out of jail. Let's go get him. We can handle these law dogs.
Take it easy, guys.
Man, you can't even have a good time in this town anymore.
Hey, what's going on, bud?
Get me in there overnight, and we'll be good to go.
Hey.
Don't worry.
Hey. Now, we got us a hostage here. I think you need to let our guy out, or I'm going to shoot this guy. Come on.
Go ahead and shoot him. He ate too much anyway.
Thought you said you had a hostage.
Well, now we're just going to have to shoot it out. That hostage wasn't no good anyway. He didn't get falling down behind.
Leave him overnight to be okay.
I think
the reason for this other you got to go to jail because you just got shot.
I think we got you guys. You know, you lawmen can't hit nothing. You know, you got us outnumbered. We can still get you. Come on, guys. Let's just get them now.
Hey, Deputy. I'm from Texas. I can't read, but I can count. Y'all out of ammo? Let's just trade some places here. I don't know about you. You know that's just a misdemeanor. You can get out of jail tomorrow. Well, I'm out of jail now. That may be true, but you're in trouble for messing with the law here. And you know, I'm gonna leave the keys with the barkeep. You can pick those up tomorrow after I'm out of town. I'm not supposed to be able to get the keys from the barkeep when I'm locked up in jail. Well, I'll tell him to come and let you out tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. In the meantime, I'm gonna go finish what I started. Y'all have a good time. Big Iron Rangers, everybody. We've got another gunfight at 5. There's some more shows you can see. Thanks for coming.
All right, I'm going to try to do 2-1.
All right. Yay.
Okay, we're on your reload here to the mountains on your good rifle shot. He won't talk to you for a little while. He won't appreciate everybody coming out and all the friends about it. Got a girl coming out.
Glad you could join us.
You looking for me?
Yep.
Well, looks like you found me.
Got a problem.
No problem, you guys gonna be dying.
We're going down.
It's find a time to take me down.
You've already killed 2 of my friends.
Looks like it's gonna be free here real soon. You're gonna be joining your friends.
Nah.
Nobody
in
in this town match for me.
Well, you've met your match today.
No, I don't think so.
So whenever you're ready, you draw.
Like I said, wasn't no match for me in this town.
You didn't even give him a chance.
Hey, that's his problem. He should have come out. He should have stayed in there with all the other women.
Okay. You think you can do it again?
Oh, I don't think that'd be any problem here at all. I know I can do it again. I mean, there ain't nobody in this town worth anything. Like I said,
Hey, come on, Tex.
you guys are slow.
I don't think that's such a good idea.
Oh, no, we don't follow two of us. Because
Yeah, but it's one of him.
We have to.
You guys better go back there about 3 or 4 months. You ain't no match. Like I said, ain't nobody in this town worth anything. I mean, look at this drunk. You want some of this, do you, there, drunk man? You do this? You see, I did it. You want to be next? You need to walk back into town in the bar there where you belong. Go put on a little dress or something. What? Who's drunk?
Big Iron Granges, everybody.